are there. Finally, I get on the board. Finally got a smallmouth. She got a catfish, a couple smallmouth. Alright guys, we're gonna get ready to head out here. I'm not gonna make a video until I get to come back out again, but all I caught was one smallmouth and a tiny rock bass. My girlfriend caught 2 smallmouth, 2 channel cats, a flathead, then a few rock bass and bluegill. But I had a good hit on the bluegill head, missed it. The flathead actually ate a whole bluegill. We reeled it in, went straight down, and I've seen it bouncing, but I just figured it was the bluegill. Well, here it ended up, went to go reel it in, recast, and the freaking flathead was on it. It was 7 pounds even, but I know how to cut the hook on that one because it did swallow it. Because like I said, we didn't realize it had a bite. I just figured it was a bluegill bouncing around. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this trip. I have a few pictures of the fish she caught. Smallmouth I just threw back. They were pretty small. But yep, I'll be hopefully going out here soon again. So it'll be after this video here. What's up guys? Me and John's out here. We're at the Cheat River Dam, Cheat Lake Dam, whatever you want to call it. As soon as I got here, they only had that one out there running, and as soon as I get here before I even cast it, they turned this one on. But we're gonna see what happens here, so we can catch some fish. I got a bluegill head on that catfish rod there I just bought yesterday. I'll show you guys real quick. I actually like it because I broke my other rod the other day. So it's a Lew's Mr. Catfish rod. It's a 9-foot, medium heavy, fast action. I got a 4-ounce sinker on there, and it seemed to do pretty well. So, but yeah, we're gonna see what happens here. First fish of the day here. Got a second one on here. Yeah, I believe it is. Little fighter in that current. Yeah, little guy. It's a good sign. I like catching these. I like getting the little bigger ones though. They are fun to catch. Good guys. Oh, he's got the good shit on me. There you go. Yeah, smallmouth. Little smallmouth guys. That's 3 different species so far today. Smallmouth, white bass, and walleye. Just got him on a minnow there. Little feisty guy. There guys, got number 4 on here. Not sure what it was. Got it on a night crawler. Just a walleye, a little bit bigger than my last one, or first one I got. Walleye, John. There we go. You guys just got one on the minnow. Little guy. What we got here? Just a little smallmouth, little guy. Number 5. Okay, guys. Oh, I just got off. That number 6. I just had one got off. But here, check this out. Brother just caught a walleye.
Strawberry butter dough ball.
On dough ball, and it's very,
Very healthy looking walleye.
deformed. That's crazy. There we go. Finally. Little guy. Alright guys, that's number 7. Last one I got, I didn't get the video, my camera died. It was about the size, it was another smallmouth, about the size of the first one I caught. This one here is a little smaller. That was on a worm.
That's a musky, like.
Huh? That's a sucker.
Oh, yeah,
I'm about to drop him down and let him swim. Oh, that's a pretty decent sucker. That'd be good musky bait there.
Look at this dog. Look at this.
That is cool. I tell. But I'm getting ready to leave, so I'm just throwing them back. John finally got one. Well, he caught that one walleye on dough ball earlier, and he did have a smallmouth on earlier. Got off.
Smallmouth. Finally.
Not a bad size, is it?
Not a bad size. Yeah. Joe's fly.
On the Joe's fly.
Alright, let's get him back.
Alright guys, gonna call it a day. I caught about 8. John caught a couple. It wasn't a terrible day. Not bad at all, actually. When I first got here, they had this one off, and before I even started fishing, they turned it on. Kind of messed me up a little bit because I wanted to throw some spinners in that corner and stuff. But we still caught some fish, so that's all that matters. And catch you guys next time.